Hi guys, today we are talking about whether Apple is a good stock to buy in 2021. Welcome to Disruptive Wealth Creation. My name is Steve. This video is for your entertainment. I'm not a financial advisor. If you enjoy the video, please give us a like, and if you want to see more content, please subscribe below. So let's get started. A little bit of background, then look at the Apple products and services, and lastly look at the financials and make up our mind whether they are a good investment. Apple was founded by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak and Ronald Wayne. Steve Jobs said, "We're here to put a dent in the universe. Otherwise, why else even be here?" When Tim Cook became CEO, this is what he said: "Some people see innovation as change, but we have never really seen it like that. It's making things better." Apple first sold shares to the public on the 12th of December 1980 at $22 per share. The stock has split 4 times, 3 times at 2-to-1, and 1 split at 7-to-1. For $100 you could have purchased around 4 shares at the IPO price. The stock split would have given you just over 250 shares, which would now be valued at over $65,000. In August 2020, Apple became the first $2 trillion company. It has been doing really well for its investors. The question is, can we expect more from Apple? Apple is still regarded as a leading premier brand, selling on a global scale. It is difficult to see how others can compete. In December 2020, Apple had 1.65 billion devices around the globe. The iPhone is still the most popular smartphone in North America, and the iPad is a market-leading tablet worldwide. Apple's iconic products include the Apple iPhone, the Apple iPad, the Mac Airbooks, and the Apple Watch. Apple's most valuable asset is still its massive user base. In 2018, Apple's growth strategy shifted its focus onto services. This included the introduction of the App Store. In March 2019, Apple launched its Apple credit card, and then in September 2019, it brought out its Apple Arcade gaming service. In November 2019, Apple launched Apple TV Plus in over 100 countries. In 2020, Apple launched Apple Fitness Plus, introducing professional trainers with workouts to its various devices. If we compare the last quarter of 2020 with 2019, we can see that there's been an increase in net sales in products and services from $91.819 billion to $111.439 billion, after total cost of sales figures were up from $35.217 billion in 2019 to $44.328 billion in the last quarter of 2020. In the last quarter of 2020, sales on all products and services were up. Revenue of $111.4 billion were up 21% year over year, and international sales accounted for 64% of revenue. In summary, is Apple a good buy? Here are some reasons to invest. Apple is an enormous global enterprise with deep pockets. It has an expanding portfolio of services which accounted for 20% of total sales year-ending 2020 and is a driver for future growth. In 2019, Apple had a weak iPhone sales record but in the first quarter of 2021, its growth and sales have accelerated in its new wave of products. So here are the reasons not to invest. Android smartphones outnumber iPhones in the mobile market. This gives Alphabet Google Play Store the edge when it comes to market share. Apple TV Plus could have some tough competition from Disney and Netflix. Apple's self-driving Project Titan is years away from Tesla. Ironically, when Tesla first started out, they wanted help from Apple and did not even get a meeting with Tim Cook. A big mistake. Apple got where it is with Steve Jobs through its incredible innovation. The question is, can Tim Cook pull it off? Ken Segall, former creative director of Apple, said, "Together they built a cult following and an aura that made people lust for its products." Other pundits have said that other than the iPhone, Apple has not really come out with anything interesting or exciting, and they could have achieved a lot more. My own view is that based on the current figures, Apple is a good buy, but I would say that long term they need to maintain their identity, create new and exciting products so that they can continue to be a global market leader. Thank you for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, please give us a like, and if you want to see more content, please hit the subscribe button below. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.